Hi guys, my name is Nikunj Kanani. Today I will show you how can we set up Magento 2 community version in our local system using Cloud Docker environment. Here I have prepared some documentation. I write some step what things is required and which step we need to follow to set up our community version in our system using Cloud Docker environment. So require in the requirement we need PSP Composer Docker and Docker Composer installed in our system. We need pub and auth key, public and private key auth key for of the repo.magento.com repository. So we will check in my system which version is I am using for is a PSP as a composer and is a Docker and Docker Composer. So as a PSP I am checking my PSP version. Oh, sorry, so this version is 7.4.3. Let's check composer version. Composer version is 2.14 1.8. Docker version Docker version is 20.10.12. Docker compose Docker compose version is 1.25.5. So I have all the requirement completely in my systems. Now let's go in the second step. Second step is we require Magento 2 community version open source code. So using the composer create project, I am building one project here. I am pulling the project in download directory. So I'm running this command here, and now my command is started to pull the repository from using composer create project. So it's hardly take 2 to 3 minutes for the pull the count based on internet speed, and also ask public and private key here is for the report.magento.com authenticate. So here I am pausing the video sometime. So guys, my project is created successfully. I am inside the project directory, and we check the version of my Magento version, which version is pulled. So here my version is 2.4.3 p1 is pulled, means project create from this edition version. So now we will check, we need to go next step. So next step is required two more packages, Magento EC tools and Magento Cloud Docker. So I am running this composer command to pull this two package. Yeah, it's a pull successfully. Now I am clear these things. Okay, next the third step is for going for setup Magento 2 Docker environment. For this Docker environment, we need to create Magento 2 YML file. Magento 2 Docker YML file. So I am creating this file nano of Magento.docker YML file. For this file content, here I give the one link how for using this link here. We have content of the Magento Docker YML file. So I am copy this content and paste here for using Control Shift V command, and I will delete unwanted space. Okay, I remove this space. Now I need to change some things. We need to change system mode. We are now installing in developer mode. So I am replacing the production mode to developer. I am replacing as a PSP service version is 7.4, and another service version I am putting same as it is because it's not required. So I am save this file. So next things is we will check next thing is we need to set host Magento to Docker in our system. So in my system it's already set it, so I am just showing you. So I'm not required to run in my system. Is here we will check my Magento Docker was mapped with my localhost IP. Next thing is we need to build compose configuration file using the EC docker command. So using these commands I am build up docker compose configuration file. Before I am running this command, I will show you something. Based on these optional parameters, if you need to change any PHP version and Nginx version based on our Magento's version requirement, here I also give the system requirement. This is the system requirement is here. So based on this system requirement, we can specify my PHP version, my MySQL, my MariaDB's version, yeah, my OpenSearch, yeah, my Elastic's version, yeah, my RabbitMQ, Redis, whatever is service we use, we are specify the version by or using the option parameter. But currently I am not passing any other parameter, option parameter, because I need to generate docker of compose.yml docker dash compose.yml file based on .magento.docker.yml file. So I'm not passing any optional parameters and I'm running this command. Okay, it's for issue of permission, so I'm adding the sudo and give the my password. Yeah, configuration file was built successfully. So we will check the file structure. So here you can check docker of compose.yml file is created and permission on permission is root. So I am given the right permission of the directory file, and I also change all this right directory to all of my current file and folders. So I am adding root dot. Okay, this is the permission. So I am adding sudo, sorry. Yeah, now let's check this. Docker.compose file is now is permission change successfully. Now we can go next step. Next step is our, yeah, next step is need to change elastic's image path in docker.compose.yml file. So I'm opening these files. Sorry for this, sorry, okay, I will open this file, magento.yml file, open. Yeah, now I'm searching here elasticsearch. Yes, so we need to change elasticsearch image path in docker.compose.yml file. So here I specify the image path. So I'm copy this image path and replace this image path. So here is a basic image path. We are pulling this image docker magento cloud docker image. So here I specify by the magento cloud docker of elasticsearch and what version we required based on this. So here I'll say replace this successfully. So now next is optional command. Copy the default configuration list file to your custom configuration file. Make any necessary changes, but currently is optional, so I'm not running this command. I'm just showing you what things is here. So just I'm showing you inside this files is a or database connectivity, radius, elasticsearch, and admin username, password, and order. Other things is here. So is basically is not required because it's optional. If you need to change any admin username, password, email address, you can change this. You can copy and you can change whatever is you required. Now next command is pull the image, means ki as per the docker of compose.yml file we need to pull the images. So I'm running this command. So okay, I will directly not run, but I'm going inside is a here is a bin folder. So I'm inside the bin, going inside bin, and here we can check our magento docker command is available. So I'm going back and run this magento docker command. In this command is all our argument what we need to run, right? So I'm using the magento docker pull command. This pull command is a pull the latest images. So current as per the current my system, in my system all our images are available. Just is not take too much time, otherwise it take too much time because of it's taking images from magento's Docker is repository from Docker hub. So it's either take too much time, so you need to wait here. So I'm now next step is to start the container. So here we are starting the container, so using bin magento docker compose up command. This command is create a network volumes and create a containers and run this container. It's also take 1 minute of time to start the all necessary containers based on docker or compose or yml file. Okay, all are necessary container created successfully. What now next step is copy the all container from copy the all file and folder from local machine to docker container. So it's optional, but I'm running this command. It take hardly 1 minute. Okay, completed copy all file from host to container. Now next command is for permission command, fix ownership permission. So it's command fix ownership permission based on container. So I am running this command because of safety purpose. I don't want any errors related of permission when I will start the setup. So I'm run this command. Then now run this command successfully. Now next command is our setup related command. So I am running this run for EC deploy command is start for our installation Magento installation command. So I am running this command being Magento docker EC deploy command. So guys, our command deploy command is running, and it's also start setup related part means is enabling maintenance mode, start installation and installing magento. So guys, it hardly take 4 to 5 minutes, so I'm pausing this video here for some time. So yes guys, let's we see here we are getting one error. Is error is a set is page builder enable is call is undefined method. So here I have find out one solution. So this is a related of the magento page builder cause failure during the installation clean install, right? So I am updating the code as per this according. So is a magento vendor directory magento module develop page builder. Now is in plugin catalog, sorry, in model bro attributes and attributes plugin. So I am opening this file in text editor. So is file is read only mode, so I am once again I am giving the ownership permission. Yeah, this command sudo cs on let ur update ur recurring or do. So now its file is not read only mode. Now you can edit this file. So as per these changes I need to add some line of code, and I need to remove some line of code also. So I'm adding this line and I'm copy paste this here. So now I'm removing this below line, 3 lines, and here I need to add this if condition. So I'm adding this if condition. Yeah, it's completed. So now I'm I need we need to uninstall command because it's partially set up. So using this repository, using the Magento command, I'm uninstall our partial install Magento. So first of all, I'm showing this is the bin/Magento command. So we are getting lot of command lists here. So guys, here is all our commands what are we use. So using this command I am adding here setup uninstall. So whatever is partial install is completed, we need I'm uninstalling this setup. So I run this command setup uninstall. Now I'm pausing this video just 1 minute because it takes some time, 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm pausing this. Okay guys, our Magento uninstalled successfully. Now we need to run setup installation command again, is ac deploy command again. So I'm running this command. This command started. So now my Magento installation process started again. So I am pausing this video because it's a take 4 to 5 minutes about time. So I am pausing this video for temporary. Hi guys, so now our Magento installed successfully. So now one more command is just pending. Is command is for the disable two-factor authentications. So I am using this command. I will disable. I am disabling this Magento two-factor authentication module. So Magento two-factor authentication module is disabled successfully. Now let's check our front end and admin panel is working well or not. So I am open this front end URL. So here we see my front end Magento 2.docker homepage loading. Yeah, the homepage is loaded successfully. This installation is successfully. So now for 70% we will check 1 2 more pages. This signing page is loaded successfully. Create account page is also loaded successfully. So our front end is working well. So now let's check our admin. So here admin login page is loaded successfully. Let's add the username and password. Username is admin and password is 123q. So username is admin and password 123 123q. So I am click on signing. Now save. So let's check. Yeah, it's a Magento 2 dashboard is loading. It's loaded successfully. Now for confirmation, we'll check 1 2 more pages. We'll check orders grid. auto graded page is loaded successfully. Now catalog product page, product grid, it's also loaded successfully. Means our front end and back end is working well. Means our Magento is set up successfully. So guys, this one more, this is Magento command is we already see for setup on install time, right? So it's help whatever it is command we need to run is setup upgrade, setup decompile, setup static content, deploy, any other config show, deploy mode show, deploy mode set. So we need to run this using this command. Okay, so it's very helpful command. And now say I hope you will see today. I hope today you will learn some good things, and I hope you will share this video tutorial with your friend, your colleague, so she can also get good knowledge about how can we set up Magento community version in our system using cloud docker environment. So please share this video with your friend and colleagues. So thank you so much for watching this video.